Fixed point-of-view render allows for green screen cutout animations to be incorporated in a Blender scene. Scenery can be precomputed as an HDRI. Some elements of the original scene are incorporated as shadow catchers. Planes hold the green screen cutout animations. Switching to ray tracing. Without HDRI, only shadow catchers. Then, with HDRI. Material for the cat video. Classical green screen background removal. Fast render speed thanks to the precomputed HDRI. See HDRI making of in the follow-up tutorial.